Hello students. Today we going to continue with the exercise 2.2. Question 7 is 3t minus 3 equals 5, 2t plus 1. 3t minus 3 equals 5, 2t plus 1. 3t minus 9 equals 10t plus 5. 3t minus 10t equals 5 plus 9. Minus 7t equals 14. T equals 14 by minus 7. T equals minus 2. Therefore, the value of t is minus 2. Question 8 is 15, y minus 4, minus 2, y minus 9, plus 5, y plus 6 equals 0. 15, y minus 4, minus 2, y minus 9, plus 5, y plus 6 equals 0. 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. 18y minus 12 is equal to 0. 18y equals 12. Y equals 12 by 18. Y equals 2 by 3. Therefore, the value of y is 2 by 3. Question 9 is 3, 5z minus 7, minus 2, 9z minus 11, equals 4, 8z minus 13, minus 17. 3, 5z minus 7, minus 2, 9z minus 11, equals 4, 8z minus 13, minus 17. 15z minus 21 minus 18z plus 22 equals 32z minus 52 minus 17. 15z minus 21 minus 18z plus 22 minus 32z equals minus 52 minus 17. Minus 35z plus 1 equals minus 69. Minus 35z equals minus 69 minus 1. Minus 35z equals minus 70. Z equals minus 70 by minus 35. Z equals 2. Therefore, the value of z is 2. Question 10 is 0.25, 4f minus 3 equals 0.05, 10f minus 9. 0.25, 4f minus 3 equals 0.05, 10f minus 9. 1f minus 0.75 equals 0.5f minus 0.45. 1f minus 0.5f equals minus 0.45 plus 0.75. 0.5f equals 0.30. F equals 0.30 by 0.5. F equals 0.6. Therefore, the value of f is 0.6. Thanks for watching.